are connected heart to heart. Time and distance cannot tear them apart.
Hey, what happened? Why are you getting senti about friendship?
You know what? I met my very first friend last evening after a gap of 2 years. It was great to meet after so long.
Indeed, it must have been an awesome feeling. Friendship is an important part of one's life. It is a connection that holds you for life, just like your family.
Yes, that's true. Friendship brings happiness, support, and sense of belonging. Friends are our pillars of strength in tough times and companions who celebrate our success. They challenge us to grow, learn, and become better versions of ourselves.
I agree. I have some really fast friendships since my childhood, and we are friends till today. Though we don't meet quite often, but when we meet, we just have a blast. सच्ची दोस्ती में कोई भी फासला नहीं होता दोस्तों, सच्ची दोस्ती में कोई भी फासला नहीं होता, दिलों में बसे इस रिश्ते में कोई झगड़ा नहीं होता.
Don't say that. Do you know? Not everything is hunky-dory and goody-goody in friendships. Sometimes there are some difficult things that happen in best friendships too.
Yes, it happens, but we find our ways and sort it out. That's what we call friendship code.
Friendship code? What are you trying to say?
Instead of me narrating to you what this is, let's meet Mr. Sharma, who is well experienced, social, and knows what real friendship is in today's theme,
The Friendship Code.
Sasha, open the door. I will only have to open the door.
Namaste, Dadi.
जीते रहो.
Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, we are here to discuss about Sheba's party. Oh yeah, hope all of you are coming for Sheba's party.
Yes, it's the party of the year. I won't miss it for anything. I am so much looking forward to attend it.
I am not sure. I don't have anything nice to wear. Since it is such a hi-fi party, I must wear something really nice or drop out.
Hey, come on. I am going to buy a dress for this party. Come join me. I am planning to wear an old dress of mine. Mom would not allow me to buy a new dress for just a friend's party.
No, I can't. I have already exceeded my spending limit for this month and my parents will not allow me to spend any more. Also, I have put on weight and won't look good in those fancy party wear. So I think I will just skip the party rather than be embarrassed about my clothes the whole time.
I somehow managed to convince my mom. She was also against the idea of buying a new dress. But now I'm relieved and she has agreed. I had to do so much drama to convince her.
Oh, you girls are really worried about what to wear. It looks like a serious problem. Can understand your worry. What worry? Is buying a new dress for the party a worry? Or putting on weight a worry?
Dadaji, you don't understand. We are teased and trolled by friends. You Gen X people will never be able to get into our shoes.
Oh, you Channel Fast, the problem of yesteryears and today are the same. You only make it seem bigger.
Of course, Dadaji. It's not only bigger, but the biggest problem of today. It's called the peer pressure. Unfortunately, this kind of peer pressure is a reality today. और आजकल बच्चे इसमें फंस जाते हैं, चाहे वो नए कपड़े हो या लेटेस्ट मोबाइल, ये सब के साथ होता है.
समझ गए मेरे प्यारे दादाजी? नहीं, दोस्ती के असली मायने समझना तुम्हें है. चलो ये सब छोड़ो. When you return in the evening, I will make you understand what friendship code is. Now you are getting late for school. You still have to go home and get ready.
Wow, that sounds interesting.
Friendship code is something new. We will get new flavors in the evening. Now let's go to our Masti Ki Pathshala.
सूरत तेरी मेरी मोबाइल लाइब्रेरी, यारों की इक्वेशन है वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, जिसमें देखो जीता है वो अल्फा है जीता है, वो अल्फा है जीता है, वो अल्फा है जीता है. पाठशाला मस्ती की पाठशाला, अपनी तो पाठशाला मस्ती की पाठशाला.
Practicing with friends for the annual day dance.
Yes, infectiously energetic. It was a real fun dancing so energetically. Seems like today you all have enjoyed your day with friends. Friendship entails so many things. Friends can support each other and turn an unfavorable situation into a favorable one. And this is the first rule of friendship code. Let me share with you all my story. How we friends turn an unfriendly and hostile situation into a win-win situation. We 5 friends. Isha, Benny, Ivan, Mishka and I, Amit, were on an adventure trip which was a thrilling blend of breathtaking, roaring river rafting and camping under starlit skies. Then we arrived in a small village. We were tired and hungry after our journey. We had no food with us. We were happy when we reached the village. Our only thoughts were about food and rest.
Here come some travelers.
They are always hungry, but we have so little for ourselves. Get inside your homes, lock the doors, and hide your food.
What type of village is this? There is no one here.
I am so hungry that I feel like I have a hole in my stomach. I hope they will offer us some food.
Let's go and find out.
Who is it? What do you want?
We are 5 friends traveling together. Oh, kind lady, will you please share your food with us?
Food? No, I can't. I have nothing to share with you.
No,
worries, thank you.
Let me try the next door. Good evening. We are travelers.
What do you want? We are very hungry travelers coming from a faraway place. Can you give us some food?
We have walked a long distance and we are very hungry. I have nothing to give you. Go away and don't come back.
We knocked on every door in the village, but we received the same answer. These people are so selfish. They don't even like to share with others.
I think we should leave this village. But it's too late in the night to leave. What are we going to do now? We have no food and a place to stay. I have an idea. Let's convey a message to them. We will teach them how to cook a stone soup.
Oh, stone soup? That's a great idea. Okay then, let us start.
What are they waiting for? Don't they understand? Nobody is going to give them food and shelter. They should leave right now.
Yes, we don't want strangers in our town.
That's right. I think we have conveyed them clearly about it.
What are they doing? Looks like they are up to something.
Amit, I think we have forgotten to bring that special ingredient which we required for the soup. Stones! But remember, choose the best. Big, round and tasty ones. Let's start making the soup. I think we are going to make the most flavorsome soup ever.
What are you doing?
We are making the most nutritious, incredible and delicious stone soup.
Stone soup? I have never heard of this kind of soup. But I like the idea.
You have never tasted stone soup? Then join us for dinner so you can taste it. Friends, today we have some guests for dinner. We must add more stones to the soup. Very well. Excuse me, kind man. Do you have a ladle? We need to stir the soup.
Yes, let me go get it.
You are very generous. What is going on?
We are making a stone soup and this soup smells so good.
I don't smell anything, but to tell you the truth, I am very hungry.
It's so tasty. It only needs some onions, carrots and potatoes to be added.
I have some onions at home.
I have some carrots.
And I have some potatoes. Let's go and get them.
Very good. The soup will taste better. It's so yummy. However, it would taste much better if we add some salt and pepper. We will bring some salt and pepper. Wonderful! Bring what you got and put it in the pot. Bring what you got and put it in the pot. Bring what you got and put it in the pot.
Is the soup ready? I want to taste it.
Yes, you can taste it.
The stones in your village are so delicious.
This soup will taste really good. Bring your bowls so we all can share the soup.
I have some bowls. I will get them. This is how everyone in the village enjoyed a wonderful dinner.
I have never tasted such a delicious soup. It all made from stones.
Thank you very much for teaching us how to make soup from the stones. You are most welcome. All's well that ends well. All is well.
आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होठों को करके गोल होठों को करके गोल सीटी बजा के बोल लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होठों को करके गोल होठों को करके गोल सीटी बजा के बोल मुर्गी का जाने अंडे का क्या होगा अरे लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा होठ घुमाओ सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया आवेश में अरे भैया आवेश में अरे चाचू आवेश में अरे भैया आवेश में कंफ्यूजन ही कंफ्यूजन है सॉल्यूशन कुछ पता नहीं सॉल्यूशन जो मिला तो सारा क्वेश्चन क्या था पता नहीं दिल जो तेरा बात बात पे घबराए दिल पे रख के हाथ उसे दिल फुसला ले दिल इडियट है प्यार से उसको समझा ले होठ घुमाओ सीढ़ी बजा के कौन भैया आवेश में अरे भैया आवेश में अरे चाचू आवेश में अरे भैया आवेश में
मटर गश्ती खुली सड़क में पकड़ी तड़क भड़क में भूले गिरे सुलगते से सड़क में छतरी न थी बगल में आया ही ना बगल में भागे हम मकड़ में तो सोचा फिर गीला हुआ है जो सुनाना हो चाहे सनाना या मर्दाना पासा फिर गई झांसा मैं मुझे पासा तेरे जैसी दिखता जिंदगी मैं पासा फिर गई झांसा मैं मुझे पासा फिर जिंदगी So
Dadaji, do you know today was Rahul's last dance class?
Why? What's the reason?
He is leaving us and shifting to Nashik. Dadaji, why do friends go away? Is this separation necessary?
We all lose friends. We lose them to distance and over time. But even though they may be lost, you can pick up the friendship right where you left off. To explain my point, let me narrate to you a story from the Friendship Code.
Wow! Story time!
This story is about a group of children who saved the life of their dear friend. They quite literally rebelled against the god of death, Yamraj.
Yamraj! OMG!
So let's see.
Hey Vikram, how are you feeling now?
We heard you are suffering from malaria.
Your mother said that you still have weakness.
Oh, poor fellow. How will you write your exams now?
Silly girl, how can he be a poor fellow?
Yes, he's so lucky. He doesn't have to write the exams. No studies, no tension, and no scolding from mother.
Come on, child. I am Yamdut, and you must come with me. See, it says here clearly that your expiry date has come, my dear. So now you will have to say goodbye to your world and come with me to my world.
What do you mean, come with me to my world? Who has sent you? And what is that? Hey, what are you doing? Why are you trying to pull me? Listen, don't do this or else I will scream loudly.
Hey, who are you and what are you doing here? From where have you come and why are you dressed up so weirdly?
I am Yamdut, Yamraj's messenger, and I do not have to listen to you. I only listen to my boss. Understood? Come on, let's go.
You can't drag him like that. You have to remember he is not well. How can you pull him so badly? He will get hurt.
So you call yourself Yamduta? And where are you taking Vikram?
Listen, Yamdut Bhaiya, this is Vikram, our best friend and the head of our games group.
Just because he has malaria, that doesn't mean you can pick him up and take him away.
This is simply not acceptable. It's sheer dadagiri.
This is not Dadagiri. This is Yamgiri, my dear. Yamgiri.
Nothing doing, Yamdut Bhai. You cannot take Vikram with you, and that's final.
Hey, Yamraj, what do I do now? Why don't these kids understand that Vikram has to go with me? Come, we are getting very late.
Leave him. This is the 21st century. Nobody dies here from malaria.
And malaria is not a deadly disease here any longer.
Besides, there are medicines available now to cure malaria, which Vikram is already taking.
Ha ha ha! How can Vikram get better? Look at the expiry date. It is now. So stop all your nonsense. I must leave with him. He must die and come along with me. That's final.
If anybody has to die, it is you, not me.
Help me. Oh God, please stop beating me. Are your fists made of iron? Stop. Oh, stop. I'm dying of pain. Oh, my cheeks have become red. Please leave me. I must take Vikram with me to Yamraj or I will lose my job.
Who cares about your job? Fine, if you insist on taking Vikram, you can.
Really?
Yes, but only on one condition. If you take him, you have to take all of us too.
Okay, let's all go. Let Yamraj decide what to do next.
Yippee! Let's go!
ये बच्चे तो आंधी है.
जमाना हमारी जुबियाना सिपटिया चिका दीवाना नच ले मेरे संग साथिया कोई मुझे रोको जरा नच नच के हाथ का बीट बढ़िया मन चढ़िया डांस का मन चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया मन चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया इश्क का बेंच लड़िया मन चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया मन चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया आधा टेढ़ा डांस मेरा अच्छा लगे तुमको हो जैसे मैं करता हूँ वो कॉपी करो छुट्टी है ये गाना बड़ा इससे बार बार मैं रिपीट करे नन्नू चढ़िया डांस का नन्नू चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया नन्नू चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया मेरा इश्क का पेट लड़िया नन्नू चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया
वैवस्वताय विद्महे दण्डहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो यमः प्रचोदयात् ॐ वैवस्वताय विद्महे
यमराज हाय हाय यमराज हाय हाय अरे ये क्या यमदूत जी? Why have you picked up so many children? You were supposed to bring only one child, Vikram, but you seem to have brought a whole cricket team.
Oh God! Here I am almost dead and he is teasing me. Do you think I am stupid? Look at me. Look at my clothes. My cheeks. They are red and I am in pain. I am in pain. Just let me go in.
Naturally, Vikram has only malaria and he is going to get well soon. Why Yamraj has to pick on him for such a small reason? Shh! Don't talk so loudly. What if Yamraj hears you? No one has dared to speak about him in such a manner. Are you letting us in on? Shall we? Yamraj, hi, hi! Yamraj, hi, hi!
So much noise! I hate noise!
Now look, what have you done? Yamraj is angry. Sorry Maharaj, but there are some children here. They say they are from India.
Some children have come from India. Where is Yamdut? I had asked for only one boy, Vikram, to be brought. Has Yamdut brought him or not?
Yes, Maharaj, I brought him. But his friends insisted on coming along too. They just wouldn't listen to me, Maharaj. They forced me to bring them too. And since I refused, they beat me up. Look at my cheeks. They are so red. Red like an apple.
Oh, Yamraj, you are the real Yamraj. I cannot wait to go home and tell everyone that I met Yamraj. Wow, I can't believe this. You actually exist. Hi, Yamraj. How are you? Hey, hope you know whom you are talking to. I am Yamraj. Yamraj. The whole world is afraid of me! Do you understand? So what? I'm Sheila from India. Stop it! Just tell me who among you is Vikram. Let him come forward. He should have been dead long ago. We cannot delay his death any further. I want only Vikram. What do you mean you want Vikram? I want a Mercedes Benz. But does that mean I will get one? You don't always get what you want.
Well, this time you are not getting what you want. And if you want Vikram, you must take all of us too.
Yamraj, hi, hi! Yamraj, hi, hi! What? I can't stand noise. This is too much. Where have you picked up these kids from?
Yamraj, from Vikram's house. Where I said I wanted only Vikram, they pounced on me and beat me up. Look at my cheeks. They are so red. Red like an apple.
Leave it! Let's get them! These kids are from India!
Yes, Maharaj. These days, you hear a lot about how they fight injustice. They stand united and are ready to die for a cause.
But I have not seen any children standing up for just a cause. These kids seem special.
Of course we are special. We are friends. A friend in need is a friend indeed.
हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे
Find a better excuse to pick up someone, Yamraj.
I have never seen friends like you before. Hats off to your friendship.
Yamraj is crying. I can't believe this.
Go before I change my mind. Take your friend and go. He will get better. He is lucky to have friends like you. Go away. Yamraj ki jai! Yamraj ki jai!
Thank you, Yamraj. Thank you very much. You're not so bad after all.
Yamraj ki jai! Yamraj ki jai! Come, let's go. Now he knows he can't mess with us.
अब तो पार्टी बनती है.
हमसे ना वैसे वैसे पकड़ो ओहो और गर्दन हिट में जारी रहे अपनी लिमिट में रखो हेलो हेलो अब तो हाँ अपनी बारी रहे हमसे ना वैसे वैसे पकड़ो ओहो, और जब हित में जारी है अपनी लिमिट में रखो हेलो हेलो, अब तो है अपनी बारी है, चल पिट झटका जिसे दिया वो लटका, फेमस होने लगी अपनी पागल बनती रहे, पार्टी तो पार्टी तो पार्टी तो पार्टी तो बनती है, और पार्टी तो बनती है, पार्टी तो बनती है, पार्टी तो बनती है। पार्टी अपनी जारी है, सब अपनी जिम्मेदारी है, पार्टी अपनी जारी है, सब अपनी जिम्मेदारी है, और हम है किंग, हमारे जैसा कौन है रब, तो हमारी बैकबोन है, हम है किंग, हमारे जैसा कौन है रब, तो हमारी बैकबोन है, सभी को फिंगर पे नचाओगे हमने बाजी मारी है, रेडी शेडी हो गया जो जितने भी नर नारी है, सभी को फिंगर पे नचाओगे हमने बाजी मारी है, रेडी शेडी हो गया जो जितने भी नर नारी है, खुशी में आज करनी बैड बनती रहे, पार्टी तो पार्टी तो पार्टी तो पार्टी तो बनती है, और पार्टी तो बनती है, पार्टी तो बनती है, पार्टी तो बनती है।
यमराज की जय, यमराज की जय। अरे, are you still in Yamraj Darbar? But it was good to see how the friends were helpful to Vikram. Yes, friendship is God's way of making every little joy more joyful.
Well said, Sherry. Children are the flowers of life. They bring joy and happiness to our world.
You know, Dadaji, Giggle Squad was praised by Rinku Auntie also.
Rinku auntie, the one who used to scream and shout at all of you. Did she praise the Giggle Squad? Why?
We will narrate to you how we brought joy and happiness in her life.
Let's see.
Every day, the Giggle Squad used to play cricket in the nearby ground, and many times their cricket ball fell inside the old woman's garden. They waited for her to return it to them. She didn't. One evening, Rinku Auntie was enjoying reading in her garden. The five of them jumped over the wall. They wanted to try and get the balls back. They see a long shadow fall on the garden wall. And the moment they looked up, they saw the woman standing at the door.
How did you all come inside? Wait, I shall complain to your parents.
भागो भागो भागो
One day, the children see a postman going to the old woman's house.
ढाकिया ढाक लाया, ढाकिया ढाक लाया, ढाकिया ढाक लाया, ढाक लाया, ढाकिया ढाक लाया, ढाक लाया, खुश ढाकिया ढाक लाया, ढाकिया ढाक लाया, ढाकिया ढाक लाया, ढाक लाया, ढाकिया ढाक लाया, ढाक लाया, खुश ढाकिया.
She takes the envelope from him and goes in, shutting the door on his face. While the postman is about to leave, Prisha stops him.
Postman uncle, what did you give her?
A birthday card from her insurance company. Are the insurance company her friends? I don't know. Every year during this time, I drop an envelope with a card for her from the insurance company. Oh, why her? She's such a mean lady, huh? Imagine no one wishing you on your birthday. That's sad.
Yeah, that's so sad. But we can wish her.
Yes, we can always wish her.
So you people want to go and wish her? Are you crazy? She'll gobble you up.
No, but what if we...
What if we... Ah! What are you thinking?
What if we bake a cake for her?
बैठे बैठे क्या करे, करना है कुछ काम. बेकिंग केकिंग शुरू करे, लेके प्रभु का नाम.
हे राम, हे राम, हे राम.
They have decided to bake the cake at Sherry's house for the old lady to celebrate her birthday.
Look! The base of the cake is ready.
Can I taste the icing?
No! Do we really have to give it to her? Come on! Why don't you understand? It's her birthday today.
But it looks so delicious.
मेरा था क्या कसूर?
अभी प्यारा सा चेहरा दिखा है, जाने क्या कहूँ उस पे क्या लिखा है गहरा समंदर दिल डूबा जिसमें घायल हुआ मैं उस पल से इसमें नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर ऐ दिल तू बता रे नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर ऐ दिल तू बता रे हाय बांधे थे धागे पर पाजी निकला ये हमसे आगे हुआ क्या है हमको इत पल ये दौड़े इत पल ये भागे होली हो जाए तब मैं न जागे हुआ ये है समझो दिल दिल के मिलते सांचे और खांचे जो है बनाता ऊपर से जाके बत्ती है ना है धूप ना कसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर ऐ दिल तू बता रे नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर ऐ दिल तू बता रे छक्का मैं अलादीन तू मेरा जिन मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन तू मेरी बोली का सिक्का तू ही दिलदार मेरा पक्का तू अलादीन मैं तेरा जिन मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन मैं किसी से कम नहीं तूने सिखाया जीने का नुस्खा यही तूने बताया नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु जमाने जमाने
celebrate her birthday.
क्या है? Why have you come here?
Happy birthday, Auntie! We are here to celebrate your birthday.
Oh, come, come.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy
thoughtful of you, my children. So thoughtful of you. Now take your balls from the garden and go.
Yay!
This is what I would call a beautiful example of fraternity, a core element of friendship code.
Dadaji, what is fraternity?
Fraternity is the idea that while we are different, we are all equally important. Promoting fraternity among the citizens of India is one of the central tenets of our constitution. We can all come together to become one, no matter who we are.
Two friendships are like street lights along the road. They don't make distance any shorter, but they light our path and make the walk worthwhile.
Yes, we have understood the friendship code and promised to keep our friendship alive forever.
दोस्ती का रिश्ता सबसे खास होता है, दोस्ती का रिश्ता सबसे खास होता है, इसमें हर दोस्त दिल के पास होता है.
Hello. It's my honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks. We hope you all have thoroughly enjoyed the show and cherish the spectacular performance of our talented students. Let us give them a huge round of applause for their dedication and hard work. As it is rightly said, success is not just about reaching the destination, but about the journey, the passion, and the effort put into it. And for a remarkable creative work like this, it is only fitting that we express our heartfelt gratitude to those who have worked tirelessly to make this event a grand success. Gratitude is the fairest blossom that springs from the soul. With that in mind, we extend our warmest thanks to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Praveen Joshi, for taking out time of his busy schedule to honor us with his presence today. Your inspiring journey and invaluable sights have truly enlightened us, sir. Thank you once again. A heartfelt gratitude to our respected principal ma'am, whose vision, dedication, and leadership continue to inspire us. Your constant encouragement has been the guiding force behind all the achievement. A special thanks to all our dedicated teachers and wonderful parents whose relentless efforts and guidance have shaped our students into such brilliant performers. A wholehearted appreciation to our exceptional choreographers who did not just teach step but infused emotion into every move, making the performance truly mesmerizing. Dancers don't just dance with their feet, they dance with their hearts. To each and everyone who played a role, a big or a small, in making this event a resounding success, we extend our deepest gratitude. With this, we conclude today's celebration on a note of joy, gratitude, and inspiration. Thank you all for being such wonderful audience. Wishing you a great evening ahead. It's time to get up and tap your feet. PIS Ambegaon present you 16th Annual Day Grand Finale.
अर्ध खाता खाता कुठं बघतो. चला पुढे जाऊ फिनालेला. काय आपलं मागे. चला पुढे.
कौन सा सिम्बा बजा दे रहा है? मेरा वाला बजाना.
साथ तुझे मेरा बना डांस, ये मेरा बना डांस, बना चू मेरा बना डांस, बना चू मेरा बना डांस, मेरा बना डांस, बना चू मेरा बना डांस, बना चू मेरा बना डांस, बना चू मेरा बना डांस, चू
May I request all the parents to be seated so that handing over can be done smoothly. Before we end the program, there are many people to whom we should thank. First of all the parents for allowing your children to take part in the annual day, the staff members who are working with your children tirelessly, and most importantly, heroes of today, our children. Can I have a big round of applause for them? Now the show was grand, no doubt, but it was because of the children who had given the voice to the characters. It is not so easy to go for lip sync. So I would like to call upon stage the voice over children, those who were sitting here and they gave voice to the characters. May I have Arjun Sawant, 5th G class. Arjun, come up on the stage. Kabir Ramekar, come on. He's the real hero. Come on, Kabir, on the stage, 5th C class. Vedashri Joshi. Arjun Sawant, Kabir Ramekar, Vedashri Khamkar, Chaitra Sawant, Arnav Mulik, Atharva Mane, Vedant Jadhav, Nidhi Shirsat, Arya Shah, and Mrunmayi Galande. All these were the voice of all the characters. Come on, give them big round of applause. Well done, children, you were amazing. And because of you, the characters were alive, they came alive. Yeah. Yes, wonderful. Now may I have English department teachers on the stage? All English department teachers. May I have Hindi department teachers on the stage? Marathi department teachers on the stage, Maths department teachers on the stage, Science department teachers on the stage. Please come on the stage, teachers. Parents, you might have seen all the special effects, especially the graphics. They all are done by our computer teachers and Innovation Lab, the STEM faculty. May I have Yogeshwari, Yashada, Juhi on the stage and Aniket sir and Vivek sir on the stage. Is there anyone left? Now, may I have art department on the stage? Art department, all the props are made by these art department teachers. May I have sports department teacher for maintaining the discipline? Music department, you have seen the music which is given. May I have Pore sir and ma'am on the stage? May I have Senior AO Mr. Kulkarni and Junior AO Mr. Patil. Senior Admin Manager Mr. Kulkarni, may I have you on the stage? Patil sir, may I have you on the stage? Accountants Mrs. Sujata and Jayant, please come on the stage. Our nurse Priya, please be on the stage. Archana, who is coordinating with everybody. Sonavne sir, please come on the stage. The coordinators, primary coordinators, Miss Sunita, middle coordinator Supriya, and secondary coordinator Mrs. Lata. Our vice principals, Mr. Sachin, morning shift, and vice principal afternoon shift, Mrs. Bharti on the stage. Now, can I have all the choreographers on the stage? Parents, for your information, last dance, 5th standard grand finale dance, number of students participated were 143 and all of them were accommodated on the stage by the choreographers. Very nice choreography. So sir, Avinash sir, yes, Venu sir, please come on the stage. Now, the props in charge, who was all the time, helping everybody in this show, is our librarian. May I have Nandini on the stage? Nandini, please come up on the stage. So lastly, last but not the least, but very important I should say, both the event coordinators, one is rather on leave because she is getting married, but then we have Rajashri ma'am, event coordinator. Can I have event coordinator Rajashri ma'am on the stage? I know her legs are aching, but she can come on the stage. Where is Rajashri ma'am? Arranging the children, arranging the music. Where is she? Rajashri ma'am, please come on the stage. Rajashri, please come on the stage. Fast, fast, fast. Come. Yes, I could see you. Come. Now you can't come from there. Okay, fine. Art department. Now all the art department teachers, they have not reported yet. Please come on the stage. Okay, fine. So this is the team which worked tirelessly for entire 1 month to put up the grand show. May I have a big, big, big round of applause for them? Thank you, parents. Now, may I request everyone to stand for the national anthem? I'm sorry, national song. Come, Rajashri. Where are Marathi teachers? Please come. Come.
Ladies and gentlemen, our team is incomplete with our principal ma'am. So, the team is complete with our dynamic ma'am. Please give a huge round of applause for ma'am.
Hello, check. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Sasya Shamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamini, Fullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.